A viewport is like a view dock, where view ships unload cargo, right? The world size is now independent of the screen size. We have a camera that follows our character. But while I was working on it, I also added zoom so you can have video calls with friends and family while playing the game. No, actually, you can zoom in and out of the world, which is a nice addition. Viewport itself is simple. It holds the values for the screen width and height, the current X and Y position, and the zoom value. It also has a center on method for convenience. I call this in the player's logic in every frame. Whenever I render something in the game world, I offset and scale based on the viewport's position and its zoom. Speaking of rendering, I also sort all entities based on their Y position, so I first draw those which are further to the camera and render on top those which are closer. This is to simulate depth and avoid visual glitches, such as standing on the crown of a tree. Additionally, there are multiple render steps. These are pre-render, render, and UI render. Shadows are drawn first in the pre-render step, then the characters and objects in normal render, and all the UI stuff goes in UI render. This essentially creates multiple virtual layers in our canvas, keeping shadows on the ground and the UI always on top. In other news, the game also has some minimal gameplay now, but more on that in the next video.